Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Flux coin. Despite Bitcoin is bearish, but the Flux coin is going very good. You can see in my previous video, almost 4 days ago, I told you that Flux coin has broken out another triangle and it is retesting the previous resistance of the triangle as a support. Now after the retest, a reversal is started, and in today's video, we will take a look at the next targets for Flux coin. But before moving to this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Okay, before this video that I shared with you almost 4 days ago, I shared this idea for my members at the Patreon. And this was a breakout from a symmetrical triangle, and at the same time it was also breaking out this down channel as well. And let me show you first this chart, and then I'll take you to the live chart to show you what the price line can do next. Now here we can see that after this breakout, as per this triangle and this down channel, our next target was $2.85, and at that time it was moving at $2.11. Now after playing the chart, we can see that the price line moved up and moved down, almost retested the previous resistance of this triangle and channel, moved very close to this resistance as a support, and moved up, and we had a rally up to $3.34. That was a very nice rally. Now let's move to the live weekly time frame chart, and here we can see that this was the down channel and this was the symmetrical triangle that we were watching. And here price line formed another ascending triangle, and this was the resistance of the newly formed ascending triangle. And here we had the support, the same support of the symmetrical triangle was working as a support of this ascending triangle. Recently, the price line has also broken out the resistance of this and other ascending triangle. Now, the target for this new triangle can be, if I place this trend line here at the breakout point, is approximately here at $4.04. But here we have another resistance. And if I place this trend line here, then you can see here we have an up channel formation. And if the price line hits this target, it can also reach the resistance of this newly formed up channel. Now, for example, if the price line breaks this up channel out, in that situation, we can expect another move that will be approximately here at $5.17 in case of breakout. And in case of breakdown, we can again expect another move to the downside that is approximately very close to the support of the previous channel that we have here. That will be here at 94 cents. But I'm not expecting that it is going to break it down, because we have the previous resistance of this triangle that is now breaking as a support, and the support of this channel as well. And you can see that the price line after this breakout, like we had this breakout, we had the retest of the previous resistance as a support, move to the upside, and again move down at the support of the triangle. And after this breakout, we had another retest, and after this retest, we can expect another rally. And I'm expecting that this time the price line can make another attempt to break out this resistance of the channel very well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.